Welcome students, I am Satish Kumar Sinha. Today we are going to describe physics practical Ohm's law experiment. The objective of this experiment is to study the dependence of current I on the potential difference V across a resistor and determine its resistance. The materials required are resistor, ammeter, voltmeter, battery or battery eliminator, one-way key, rheostat, connecting wires. Theory: potential difference across the ends of a conductor is directly proportional to the electric current passing through it, provided all the physical conditions remains constant. This is the circuit diagram for the verification of Ohm's law. Here ammeter is connected in series with the resistor and voltmeter is connected in parallel to the resistor, and these ammeter and voltmeters are then connected with battery key and rheostat. Now the range of ammeter is 0 to 3 ampere, range of the voltmeter is 0 to 3 volt, least count of the ammeter 0.05 ampere and least count of the voltmeter is 0.05 volt. This is the observation table. First we fix the value of rheostat and then we have to take in the reading from the ammeters and voltmeters. Ammeters give the readings of current in ampere and voltmeters give the reading of potential difference in volt. Then we have to find in each case the ratio of V by I, that is resistance R. So first observation, this is the ammeter's reading is 1, which is multiplied by the least count 0.05 is equal to 0.05 ampere. The corresponding value of the voltmeter, that is the 2 into 0.05 least count, which is equal to 0.10 volt. So R1 is equal to V by I, 0.10 divided by 0.05 is equal to 2 ohm. Similarly, we take the readings of second and third and fourth readings. In each case we will get the value of resistance R1, R2, R3 and R4 are 2 ohm. So average value of the resistance R is 2 ohm. It is concluded from the above observation table that V by I is equal to constant, that is 2 ohm. So V is equal to constant into I. So V is proportional to I. This verifies the Ohm's law. Thank you.